Hey there, you can now add static fields inside your widgets to showcase content on every single item or on a details page. This is really great for creating stuff like section dividers or just needing to show things that your data source doesn't need to have as well. So for example, I'm going to add a field and I'm going to add a text field and I'm going to select the column and press none/static. Now, if I go into here, I can now add a value for it to appear on every single item in my widget. So I'm going to say final week, and I'm going to make this a little bit more presentable. Let's make this green and make it a lot bigger. Now, as you can see in my widget, this static value appears on every single item. This is a great way to have stuff appear without having to go into my spreadsheet and then go add this column directly on it. Static fields work for all field types. You can do texts, headings, files, embeds, dates, progress, checkboxes, and more. Just choose the thing and then adjust the value, and that value will appear on every single item. These static fields also come with an ID. By default, normal additional fields that are connected to a column automatically have the ID created from that column, but because static fields don't have one, you can set that ID here. Now, this ID is really useful for targeting with custom CSS or JavaScript, or you can also use this in your URL filtering so that you can actually filter your widgets based on static fields as well. They work just the same as normal fields, but they let you have more control on how you design your layouts on your widgets. Give it a go.